It's actually pretty easy, guys. You take this bolt off, same thing in the back. That's how the wheel comes off. Take out these long screws on the outer perimeter of the wheel. When you do that, this thing comes off, and that's it. You just slide the whole tire out, and then you take out the inner part and fix it. Here's the tube. I pumped it up and heard the hissing, found the hole. In case if you don't find the hole, you can submerge it into water. You'll see bubbles coming out. I had some vinyl pull repair adhesive that comes with the rubberish material. You cut it out into like a patch, and obviously you're gonna put it on top. Before that, you want to use some alcohol. Just wipe the area, wipe the pad so everything is clean, and apply the glue. You want to give it a day or leave it overnight so that it hardens. Here it is. I'm just going to put a little bit around just to cover the edges that didn't stick yet. Left it overnight. It seems good. I'm going to put it back. An interesting issue is that when everything is assembled and you're about to pump the tire, the space here is just perfect to fit the cap back. But if you're using a pump that has a bigger knob, well, that doesn't really fit. Just got this little thingy off of Amazon. It was like $10. So you can see how compact the nozzle is. Ta-ta! It's quite tricky to get the wheel back because each securing bolt has two spacers, of course. One goes on the inner side of the frame. The other one with the secure lock goes on the outside. This on top, you secure it. The thing is, you got this here, you got the same thing in the back, and then you got the brake rotor that you gotta slide in into the caliper, and all of that has to slide in and be in the correct positioning. A bit tricky, so be ready for that. Alright, the tire is back on. Seems to hold air fine. I jumped on it a little bit. I got about almost 850 miles on the scooter. There was only like one major issue, and that was here where the wire is coming out. It was rubbing. I just put a piece of plastic. Keep an eye on my review video of it. I'll post the link below. That's where I post the current mileage, and if any issues arise, I write it there and how to fix it if possible. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope it helps. See you in the next one.